Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. Now to get started, let's pull down our notifications like this, extend the list, and you will see your power button right up here. Click on it, then tap on power off. And before you double tap on it, I'm going to mention that this actually functions as a safe mode as well. So when we hold it, as you can see, it changes into safe mode. So from here, just double tap or tap once more on it once it changes into that safe mode, and this will reboot the device and boot us into the said mode. Now, I didn't actually read what was written under the safe mode, so I'm going to quickly just describe it. So safe mode is used to troubleshoot your device. So if you have some kind of problem with it, something is malfunctioning on a software level, you can boot it into this mode, and all third-party applications that you have installed will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your device. Now, once you have solved whatever problem you're having, you'll need to reboot the device again to go back to the normal mode, just so you can use all the apps that you have installed over the time. Now, as you can see, we are now in safe mode. You can see this marking right at the bottom. And when I unlock the device, you will be able to see that some of the widgets don't work, and also apps. So there are widgets and apps, even like the internet browser from Samsung isn't working here. We have clock and Microsoft, which for the most part, majority of Microsoft applications don't work here. And Facebook, Spotify, and so on. So the way you can obviously distinguish these apps is they become monochrome. So you can see all of these apps will not work. So there we go. Now, like I mentioned, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal one, just find the boot menu right here, select reboot or restart as it's called. And once the device boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.